Hello, everybody. This is Eric Parker with One Number Tableau Experts. I'm a Tableau trainer and consultant, and in this week's video, I'm going to be running you through a little solution that we've built with some clients when they've created a table that has some date fields that are showing up as nulls. Now, this could happen in any variety of circumstances, but basically any time that a date field doesn't need to be filled out, but you are displaying it, then you could see some nulls, right? So if you were showing a list of employees and you had their start dates and their end dates, some of them are active, they don't have an end date, then you just see null, 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 null. It doesn't look very good, right? So kind of a brief example of that would be this modified order date field that I've got here, where you can see it's mostly filled out, but there is a null field. So first of all, if you want to follow along with this, you can. I'm going to put a link in the description below to where you can download this workbook that I'm showing you. I just rigged up some calculation that basically said if the date is today, make it null, otherwise give me the date field. Okay, so there's kind of a couple of different levels of solutions that we could come up with here. One is just the quick solution where you're still showing a date field, but then you have this blank. The other is if you want to kind of format it custom, like get the month name, the day, the year. How do you write a little bit more elegant formula to be able to do that? Right. I'm going to do a new worksheet, and we will do that from scratch. Okay, so let's get this thing here, order date with nulls. I'm gonna right click and drag that field to my row shelf, and the right click and drag allows you to get this menu of all these different ways that you can visualize this date rather than having it default to year first. So I choose MDY for month, day, year. I select OK. Here we are. So let me go ahead and create a new calculated field, and I'll call this order date. And I don't want to call this to differentiate it. I'll say no nulls, simple. And so when I say simple, I mean this. I'm going to say if is null, order date with nulls, that's the name of our field, then blank, else order date with nulls. Now, Tableau's not going to like this initially because it's going to say that this is a string output, whereas this is a date output. It's not going to say it quite like that, but essentially, that's what the error says. So if I just simply say, you know what, actually make this thing a string instead, now Tableau's like, cool, it's giving out text either way. So if I say okay, and then let's say put this on my row shelf, it works to a point. I don't see that null value anymore. However, I have very little control over this formatting. I think I can get rid of the timestamp at least, which I would say is an improvement. So right now, that order date field, order date with nulls, that's actually a date and time field. If I just simply said make this a date and then make it a string, I think it'll drop that timestamp, which is, I think an improvement. But it's not in the same format as this. And I don't really have a way, there's no like right click format to be able to say like, hey, I know this is actually a date, but use the month name instead. Like that's not an option for us because it's a string field. So what we would do instead would be, we would do a little bit more involved calculation. Okay. So let me duplicate what we just called there order date no nulls simple. And I'm going to edit this and I'll call it order date no nulls advanced. So instead of having it spit out this for me right here, the string of the date of this, I'm going to write this as close as I can to this, where it would say like November 8th, 2021. And we are going to use a function called DATENAME to help us out there. It's very similar to DATEPART if you haven't used that, or if you have used that before. So if you said like DATEPART year of order date, it would say 2021. The difference is that the DATENAME output is always a string function. And the best part about DATENAME, in my opinion, is that for months, it doesn't output a number. It doesn't say like, oh, January is 1. It actually says January, which is sweet. So if I do this, if I say, okay, give me the date name of order date with nulls, date name month of order date with nulls, that's sort of our first piece, plus a space, okay? Plus, on the next line now, let's say date name day of order date with nulls, okay? Plus, and then in quotations, a comma and a space, plus date name year of order date with nulls. Okay, now that should do the trick, I believe. We'll see. Fingers crossed that I stuck the landing. So we'll say okay, And here it is. It is a string function, as you can see. But the beauty of this would be if I pop this out here, haha, how about that, right? So it looks just like this, but we are no longer seeing a null value here. We're just seeing a blank. And so if you need to do this to multiple different date fields, it would be as simple as just duplicating this formula, switching out those date references, and you would be good to go. Okay. So like I said, we're going to put a link in the description below if you want to download this workbook and check it out. Here is just a little recap of those formulas in case that's helpful. And if you need help on your own projects, that's a big piece of what we're here for. We do free videos like this every week to be able to help you out with little tips in Tableau to make your life better. But also if you're like, yeah, I could use an expert to get in here and help me think through this problem, we do office hours. We'll put links to that below. We also have classes. We do everything from data modeling to dashboard building to writing calculations and a whole lot of other things too. We run classes every month. We'll put some info on that below as well. And we'd love to see you there. So thank you for being here, and we will see you next week for another Tableau tip. Thanks.